up over here, weather data model. And now I'm going to just show you very quickly how we could access this. So inside of our viewDidLoad, we could set up our data list. And this list will eventually be shown inside our table view. So this data is a list type of weather, which is our object which we set up. And then from there we can create a list of different weather objects. So for example, let's just do a couple of cities. So we have our min temperature. Let's go with 15 degrees. Max temperature. So I can already see there's a bit of an issue here. I might want to have my first item as the city name just to make it a clear identifier, but for now it doesn't really matter. Okay, we're going to have our city. Let's do Perth. Description. That's cool. The longitude. I'm just going to put in some numbers in here. I don't know what the actual longitude and latitude is, but I can look that up in Google. 24.5. Okay, so here I have my first object in the list. So let's add in a second one. Let's make it a little bit cooler. This can be Melbourne. Melbourne's always cold. Okay, so now I have my object, so I can access this fairly easily. So for example, if I just want to print out what my city is, I could say print data. I can look for the first item in that list, and then I can find the city property. Okay, we can do the same for the second item in the list. Okay, so then when I run my application, at the moment it's just showing the list, but I can see in my output, I'm printing out Perth and Melbourne, so I'm printing out my two cities. So this is how we're going to create our data, which will then be shown inside our list rows.